Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is the definition of power, comfort, and freedom on wheels. Built on the legendary Kenworth platform, this motorhome combines rugged performance with luxury interior. Designed for long hauls, this beast is a perfect travel companion. From the first look, its bold grille, sharp headlights, and aerodynamic profile command attention on every road. Underneath the hood, it's fitted with a high-torque engine, engineered to handle mountain roads, desert highways, and urban speedways alike. With air ride suspension and precision steering, you get a drive feeling more like a luxury SUV than a giant motorhome. On the inside, its offerings are even more surprising. Step in, and you'll enter a fully furnished mobile apartment. Plush leather seating, gleaming wood finishes, and panoramic windows create a bright, inviting living room. The kitchen is state-of-the-art, featuring a refrigerator, microwave, induction cooktop, and a deep sink, making meal preparation fast and easy while on the road. Cabinetry is designed not just for taste, but practicality, with ample hidden storage solutions for the ride. Bedroom features a memory foam queen bed, overhead lights, USB ports, reading lamps, closets, and soft linens, creating the perfect resting space after a long drive. Bathroom is a full size, with a shower, vanity mirror, porcelain toilet, and vented fan, making sure you feel fresh and clean no matter where you park. The entertainment system is incredible, with a Bluetooth TV, built-in speakers, and satellite connectivity, so you never miss your favorite shows even while camping. Remote security, climate control, and smart panel integration allow you to manage the motorhome with finger control, enhancing convenience on the road. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane assist, rear view camera, traction control, and brake assist, all you need for a safe, peaceful journey. Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is truly a home on wheels. It's ideal for families, adventure seekers, and retirees alike, combining power, style, and smart systems into one incredible machine. Every angle of this vehicle is designed with purpose, giving you a balance of elegance and performance. For true travel enthusiasts who want more than an RV, this is the future brought to your driveway. From solar panels for off-grid adventures to automatic leveling jacks for stable camping, every feature has been fine-crafted with passion. This rig isn't just about destination, it's about the experience of getting there with comfort, confidence, and class. Driving Kenworth T2000 Motorhome feels like owning a personal resort on wheels, bringing you through landscapes and memories you'll cherish forever. Follow Honest Auto Wheels for real reviews and more honest content.